Have a talk with chirping birds. Take a walk with your inner self. Shake hands with luxury. Enrich your life with an enchanting view. Bellevue Veera. Add a beautiful way to your life, where life is stress-free, luxurious and serene. A project by Davra Infrastructure Private Limited. Incepted in 2003, today it's a strong, multifaceted, multidisciplinary and vibrant organization committed to create innovative projects that build value for their customers. Bellevue Veera is the latest project by Davra Infrastructure Private Limited. A unique plotting scheme of luxurious villas and bungalows nestled in lush green environs on Bavla Nal Sarovar Road, just 27 kilometers close from SG Highway, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Gujarat is rising gloriously on the development front, and Ahmedabad is the fastest growing city and the torchbearer of this growth. Bellevue Veera, 27 kilometers from Ahmedabad and 5 kilometers from Bavla. Bellevue Veera is just 37 kilometers from Ahmedabad Airport. Moreover, Bavla is surrounded by religious places, industrial areas and SEZs. Gujarat's first metro rail project also passes through Bavla. The Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor also passes through Ahmedabad, and Bavla's proximity to the vibrant city of Ahmedabad makes it the best destination to make your home or park your investment. At Bellevue Veera, plots and villas ranging from 200 to 1500 square yards are available. Moreover, you can also get your specialized bungalow developed by us. The place is meticulously planned to take care of your modern lifestyle, still serving you with nature's bounty. Designed with a green concept, at Bellevue Veera, you will find everything planned to collaborate with nature, as 40% of the total land area is green space, which includes a mango grove and a mini calm lake for water storage. The concept of environment-friendly surroundings is taken forward by solar street lights and rainwater harvesting measures. Also, to avoid wastage of water, recycling of water for gardening and flushing will be implemented here. Bellevue Veera is your place to spend your time luxuriously with family and loved ones. Here nature spreads its arms to greet you with hosts of ultra-modern amenities which provide recreation and fun with healthy lifestyle. Sports amenities, cycling track and jogging track, paintball, lawn tennis, skating ring, table tennis, basketball. Here you can play for fun or just own your skill at an old game you know. It also offers a huge cricket stadium loaded with all cricketing facilities. Here you can knock few great shots and score high for your health too. Bellevue Veera. Feast your eyes, soothe your soul. Create your dream home here and enjoy the heavenly pleasure amongst serenity. It exudes luxury with a state-of-the-art clubhouse studded with star amenities like a discotheque and a mini theatre to enjoy your life to the fullest. Spa and jacuzzi to rejuvenate your body. Bowling and indoor golf for your style statement. A separate children play area. A swimming pool to drench your soul in peace. A multi-cuisine restaurant for your taste buds. And a shopping mall for your daily needs. A dairy farm developed inside the premises provides the residents an opportunity to have fresh milk and other milk products at their doorstep. For the spiritual side of yours, here we have a Derasar and a temple which ensures auspicious beginnings of every day. studded with all the amenities and fashioned by nature. Bellevue Veera is your place to be. The wind is whispering in your ears. The trees have spread their branches to embrace you. The lake is waiting calmly to listen to your approaching footsteps. Come to serenity. Come to Bellevue Veera. A project by Dabra Infrastructure Private Limited. Bellevue Veera. Site address 5 kilometers from Bavla. Bavla Nal Sarovar Road, Adroda, Bavla, Ahmedabad. Office address B315/1, B Wing, 3rd floor, Gopal Palace, Nehru Nagar BRTS Road, Satellite, Ahmedabad 380015. Contact on mobile 990961 7909 or 81412 60600. Office landline 079 267 40402.